All right, welcome back to My Foodie Foods. Today we are making cowboy pasta. Missing one thing, the pasta. As soon as I said that, I thought about that. So these are the ingredients. Uh, you will also see the recipe posted in the video as always, but this is everything that you need. And then logically, the good old foodie. So I'm getting ready to brown the ground beef, and then I will steam the pasta. So that is what the process is. And then I'll be adding all of these individual items to this video, to which you will see. Stay tuned. Cowboy pasta. Okay, so we have the pasta and this foodie that I'm getting ready to turn on. I'm going to do pressure. I'm going to do about 3 minutes for the small pasta and then do a natural release. So that is what I have on this. And then over in this one, we are browning the ground beef with the cumin and the red pepper flakes. So that's where we're at right now. Okay, so where are we? The ground beef has been browned. It is draining. I'm about to halve these cherry tomatoes. I have mixed the liquids, the sauces. They are sitting, waiting on the pasta to become al dente. And I have my pot clean and ready for the next items, which will be pasta, cooked pasta, bacon, which is sizzling now, and all of the remaining items, which is the cheese, the ground beef, the scallions, the corn, and the cherry tomatoes will go in here, and it'll be mixed with the sauce. That's where we're at. We will resume. Okay, the pasta is done. I am going to demonstrate the steam stream. So this was a complimentary sent item from the steam stream for us to try on our foodie. As you can see, I have the smaller one on here. There are two types. So there's also a larger, you can see from the diameter of the opening, and then that one is smaller. So this is the smaller one. It does fit the foodie. This is non-toxic, if I can speak today, and it fits the model of the Instant Pot as well as the foodie. So I have it on there. It has been natural releasing for almost 2 minutes. I'm now going to turn it to quick release so that we can see how the actual steam pot works. So as you see, you can then turn it, and as you can see, your steam can be directed to go elsewhere. And for me, this is important, which is why I set that here today, because I have a phone on the wall behind. And if it was not on, that steam would be going right up against that telephone. So it definitely works. I definitely like the way that you can direct it to go elsewhere. There you go. That is the steam stream. The steam stream definitely is a winner. I recommend it. There will be information on ordering the steam stream once these noodles are complete. And as you can see, even condensation inside there. So that's a lot of steam. This is great. Waiting for that top. It's already popped up. We are good to go. And there we go. We have al dente noodles, 5 minutes, 2 minutes quick release. They are perfect, and they're getting ready to be drained, and everything is going into this pot. Alrighty, the cowboy pasta is complete with bacon on top, mixed up. Personally, I prefer it room temp, so as soon as it gets mixed together, you don't need to warm up anything. It's ready to go. Place it on a plate. I have some French bread in the oven, so you will see a picture of the finished product. Afterwards, you can then put it in the refrigerator, and it's also perfect chilled. It's like a pasta. It's like a potato salad or pasta salad or any of those. You do not have to reheat it, but it is one of those that's perfect to eat same day as it's warm. So great for going to a cookout, great for having people over if you're not going to have to refrigerate it and just let it go through. However, if you do need to refrigerate it, you can also just take it right out the refrigerator and eat it chill. Cowboy pasta, completely done. Favorite part was honestly having al dente noodles in 5 minutes.